So for the pumpkin bisque, we are taking pumpkin. We are going to take out the seeds and we are going to cut them into even size pieces and keep them on a roasting tray. Along with that, we are going to put some diced carrots, some peeled garlic, some salt and some sprigs of rosemary, and this goes in a oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes until the pumpkin is completely cooked. Here at the table we are finely chopping some celery, onion and tomato. Once the pumpkin has got roasted completely and cooked, in a saucepan we will take some olive oil and butter. In that we are going to saute the celery and the onion first. So optionally, if you don't want to roast the garlic, you can saute the garlic. Also, if you want, you can roast the celery and the onion with the pumpkin. After the celery and the onion are cooked, we are going to add in the roasted pumpkin mixture from the tray. Mix it well. In that we are going to add in the finely chopped tomatoes. To make it even simpler, you can roast all the vegetables at one time. Okay, so onion, celery, carrot, garlic, pumpkin, tomatoes, all can be roasted. In that we are going to add in washed and drained rice. So similar to the prawn bisque, right? Okay. And then we are going to add in water. Optionally, if you want, you can add some brandy. Again, a little bit of salt and let this simmer until the rice is cooked. Once the soup is cooled down, blend the soup in a blender until nice and smooth. So if you see here, the color is similar to the prawn bisque. Strain the soup, make it nice and smooth in texture. You can adjust the consistency with water. Check the seasoning, reheat the soup and present it. So over here we've taken a soup bowl, present the soup and then you can garnish. So here we have swirl of cream. So we didn't add cream earlier. Okay, so a good amount of cream here for presentation. In that we are going to add some pumpkin seeds for presentation since we have pumpkin soup. So we have pumpkin seeds here and there. A few strands of saffron for flavor, for color. It looks nice. Then small pieces of roasted tomatoes. Either you can use cherry tomatoes. The tomatoes that we had chopped, we had just roasted a few tomatoes in the oven. So uneven small pieces of roasted tomatoes, and then a few pieces of roasted garlic. So we had roasted some garlic with the skin on and then just squeezed out the soft pulp of the garlic after roasting. So that's the presentation of a pumpkin soup or a pumpkin bisque, which is the vegetarian option for the prawn bisque.